Hey, let me show you how you can pair your Marshall Major 5 with any iPhone. So first of all, you have to just turn on your headphones by using this gold button, this one. We have to click and hold it and wait until this indicator turns on and starts blinking like this. Now we can release, and the headphones are actually in the pairing mode. So now on our iPhone, we have to navigate into the settings, open Bluetooth, then turn it on by clicking on this switcher and then select from other devices Major 5. There we go. Now we are successfully connected, and now we got even information about the application. So we can click to go to the App Store, and it's actually recommended to get this application, the Marshall Bluetooth. So click to get, and thanks to this application we will actually unlock some features. So let's simply install this app. It will actually go pretty fast. Take a look. After a few seconds of downloading, we will be able to use this application. So click just right here, accept all of these permissions. Now we have to accept this user license. So click next. Now we can skip this one. Actually, you don't have to input it. The same for this one. Now we can click to add new device, and it's actually searching for the Marshall Major 5. When we add them to the build settings, we'll already find them right here. So click in this place. Now just wait for this connection to the application. It will actually take around a few seconds. Now accept this pairing request and click continue. Now swipe to the left side 3 times, click to get started, and as you can see now we are successfully connected with the Marshall Major 5 and the iPhone. In this video I was using the iPhone 12. So that's all for this video. Right now please subscribe to my channel.